All right, so we are going to talk about the steps to find an inverse equation. It's really just a matter of two simple steps, although the second step might take a little bit of time. But first thing that you are going to do in any equation is take the x value and the y value and switch their positions. So once I switch their positions, the next thing that we are going to do, since y is now where x was, we are going to solve for y, however the equation needs us to. And this is where it just might take a couple steps. So first thing I'm going to do is add 5 to both sides. And then lastly, divide by 2. You do need to make sure that in this situation, everything that you already have over on the left side of the equation is all divided by 5 and not just one of the two terms. That is the inverse in the first problem. Life can get a little trickier when we have different types of functions. For example, in this second example, when I switch x and y, and I begin to solve for y, I will see that I actually have an even power on the y, and that can cause a problem sometimes depending upon what I want to see in the inverse. If I don't care that the inverse is not a function, I would have the plus or minus out here in front of the square root. But if I care that the inverse needs to be also a function, then I need to limit my equation and only have either the plus or the minus section of the square root.